Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts What's the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be going over what is in October's Smart Art box. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Alright, like always, we will open up our box to the Smart Art brochure. Open it up and you will see some history of the materials in this box, as well as a total list of everything you're going to find in here. Flip to the next page and you will get your quick start guide to help you get a starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you will see your skill challenge guide to give you a little extra challenge using these products. And then flip to the back and you will see some pointers on how to get the best results using everything, as well as your weekly challenge prompts. Okay, so first thing out of this box is the Art Alternative 5x7 canvas panels. These canvas panels are the perfect alternative to a standard canvas. These panels are already primed and ready to use. These are great for acrylics, oils, and many other wet or dry mediums. These are going to be very, very necessary this month. Alright, next out of this box we have the 5-piece FILBERT brush set. These brushes are beautiful and designed with their black finished handles and sport a very soft but durable brush heads. These brushes work very well with both acrylics and oils and are very easy to clean. These brushes will be a very nice addition to my brush collection. Alright, so next out of here we have the PEBEO Studio Black Acrylic Paints. This acrylic paint has a very deep and rich pigmented look to it. This paint can be used right out of the tube with a very nice thickness that allows for brush strokes to still be visible after drying. This paint dries with a very nice satin finish, and I am sure that they will help make a beautiful looking piece this month. Next on this box we have the 4Artist Black Marker. This marker sports a oil-based pigment and can be used to create outlines, fill large areas, create gradients, and more. This marker can be used to create some beautiful details to finish off your artwork, and I think it is going to come in handy with making some beautiful art this month. Okay, so next out of this box we have the plastic painting knife set. These plastic painting knives are great for any application. They are very durable and non-staining, so they are very easy to clean once you are done with them. With this set sporting 5 different knives, you have everything you're going to need to make some beautiful art. These I'm sure will come in handy this month. And we can't forget about our disposable cups. These cups will come in handy for any pouring you may need to do, mixing your colors, pouring them, or even using it to prop up your canvas to do your pours. Alright, so the last thing out of this box is the PEBEO Pouring Discovery Kit with silicone oil. This set has everything you need to create a beautiful acrylic pour. Having 4 ready-to-use acrylics pre-mixed with pouring medium. These glossy paints are designed to help create smooth pours that are bubble-free. Included in here as well is the silicone oil. Just add a couple drops to your pour and see some beautiful cells appear. These should be really fun to use this month. But that is everything in our box, except of course our sticker and candy. But let's get everything out and see what we can create using these materials. So coming into this piece, I really wanted to experiment with the pour and try to get very different methods in all-in-one pour. I started off with the cup method where I just tipped it over onto it, and then I just kind of played around with doing mixings of the colors in the cup and then just pouring it around the piece as well. I also played around with the paints a bit when I was applying the silicone to see what different kinds of results I could get doing that. So the concept of this piece was to make the pour kind of look like a night sky with a moon sitting in the sky as well. And then just making a dark silhouette of the grassy fields so that I could add some depth to this piece. But I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in October's Smart Art Box. Now these materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now remember, don't forget about the weekly challenge prompts at the back of your brochure, as well as the weekly videos where I try to tackle each challenge myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using the hashtag SmartArtProject and SmartArtBreak to get your 500 peacock points. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out these Smart Art bundles. If you don't know what they are a set of boxes that have very specific mediums in each box. If you want more information on it, make sure you check out the Smart Art webpage. Also, make sure to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!